Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Jeep Gladiator gas vs diesel, which is better. Follow along to evaluate fuel economy, towing, monthly costs, and long-term reliability so you can decide. I'll explain typical MPG differences, expected maintenance items, and resale considerations in plain language. By the end, you'll understand trade-offs like purchase price versus fuel savings and whether diesel torque or gas convenience fits your lifestyle and budget. Let's dig into fuel and efficiency so you know what to expect at the pump. Diesel engines usually give better MPG on highways and when towing heavy loads, which helps during long trips and frequent hauling. Gas engines cost less upfront and can be cheaper for low-mileage drivers who mostly do city driving. Think about annual miles and typical drives to estimate real-world savings between the two choices. Quick recommendation. On another note, darn tough socks are a small comfort that makes long drives and muddy adventures better, and they come with a lifetime warranty, which is funny to think about compared to vehicle warranties. If you're enjoying this breakdown, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful comparisons. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll cover ownership costs so you know long-term implications for your budget. Diesels commonly cost more to buy and may require specialized maintenance, but fuel savings and strong towing demand can offset that over time. Gas Gladiators keep repair costs simpler and parts more common, which benefits lower mileage owners. Consider expected years of ownership and anticipated towing to decide which side gives you the best total cost outcome.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.